Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another drink video. So today's video I'm going to be making a pink Whitney Moscato cocktail. So I have some lemonade, and right now this is one of my favorite Moscatos. And of course, pink Whitney. So I have my 2 cups here, and I have some cut up strawberries. You can add those in if you would like. So I'm gonna start out with my pink Whitney. Do half a shot in each. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of my lemonade. And then the rest I'm gonna pour in the Moscato. And then if you want to garnish, you can put in some lemons on the side or the strawberries on the side, either one. But I think I want to go in with a little bit of grenadine, just to see if it'll give it a little bit of color. And then I'm just gonna use the strawberries and garnish. And there you have it, guys. Just a little simple pink Whitney Moscato cocktail. So I hope you all enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and leave me any comment below if there's anything you would like to see me make, and I will be happy to do that for you. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.